Guys, so it is Monday, July 24th, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice again. Once again, I feel full of energy. I don't feel tired at all. Don't mind my son in the background. He's working on a marble run. A really big one, I might add. Anyway, this stuff is absolutely amazing. It is for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. And if you have anything going on with the serotonin or the dopamine in your gut, I would highly, highly recommend it. Here I am showcasing my orange and yellow earrings again that I made about 8 years ago. And I'm wearing my beautiful black dress that ties around my neck. Once again, 90% of your serotonin is produced in your gut and 70% of your dopamine is produced in your gut. So if you have anything going on with your serotonin or your dopamine, I would highly, highly recommend this stuff. It is a bit pricey, but it's completely worth it.